Alright.
There.
Fuck, someone died outside the play zone. Shit, there's 11 other people.
Oh, dude.
Okay. Want to push these buildings in front of us?
Oh, really? Pretty open.
Not really.
Stay
Should we
here.
start building?
This bitch.
Lay low, boys.
How come you said it in the game too?
Oh, because whenever I'm leaning on my right side, for some reason, that's also my talk.
Oh, gotcha.
Fucking
Should
lay low, boys.
Boys-
Everyone who's in game, they're like, oh, they're at the top, laying down.
He's leading right. Oh, shots to our northish.
Where's
Silent
the-
shots.
I'm silent.
I don't think I'm in. We'll see.
Hello?
Hello?
Okay, now I'm good, right? You guys aren't hearing me?
Yeah, we can hear you.
No, I mean, like, in game.
That's really close. Was that us?
That's the other hill.
Oh, should we?
I see him. Other hill, 305.
Oh yeah, he's jumping right, moving up the hill.
Yeah, there's also one at the big rock. Who shot? Is that someone silenced?
Me. That was
Yeah.
Yeah, big rock.
Oh, that's way closer than I thought.
Hit the one at the big rock.
yeah.
Oh, I just barely missed.
Alright, let's go. Let's get in. Go to the left more, yeah?
Yeah.
Oh, these buildings right here. I thought you were talking about the buildings that were further, like, northwest.
I was talking about these fucking buildings.
Like, yeah, I want to push them.
This
Do you want to
bitch.
be stuck inside a building though?
Oh, I'm just pushing them. Bring them out.
Yeah, okay.
Yeah, let's stay on the outside of them.
You ready?
Clear them, but stay
Might be in
outside.
here.
Look clear.
There's a level 2 helmet in here, Matt.
Where? I need it.
I'm already here. Right down, pick it up. Okay. That's
Yeah,
close.
shot to the northwest.
Are there 4 times anybody?
I'll take it. I don't want to.
Fuck, I need anything more than
Oh,
a 2
yeah,
times.
no, you take it. I got 3. Take it.
Okay.
No. Oh, somebody's gonna grab it, right?
Yeah.
It's in the thing.
Alright.
Let's stay here, yeah?
Yeah, I'm checking up on this hill. Gotta push the top of this hill probably pretty soon.
God, I'm lagging because I'm trying to record this. Fuck.
Fuck, we're gonna have to push up the hill.
Just keep going left.
Dude, whoever has those fucking stair things up there.
I think I don't know if it's us versus another team or there's 2 separate teams or not. But
2 separate.
yeah. One of them was fighting the other side of this hill.
Yeah, you're right. You're right.
Oh, we should go up.
Yeah. Try to get to the top.
Hit fire, so be ready.
Oh, I see
I
guys
see
at the
him.
hill.
Yep.
355 running up.
Saw him too.
How many? All of them?
No, there's 2.
Oh fuck, I'm getting hit
Oh,
hard.
there's one at the houses. Lit up the one at the houses still. There's one kind of pushing me.
I see there's one pushing Matt
Where?
in front of you,
Yep.
like at the tree.
Yeah, he's like right in front of you. Knocked him.
Gotta go in. Blue.
Fuck.
Guy's on fire.
I'm first aiding.
Tag that dude. North 20 on the second tree.
Yeah, I see him, I
Chris.
see him. There's a guy behind him as well.
Shit. Can't. Oh, come on. Try crawling to you guys. I can't see anything. There's smokes
Knocked one.
everywhere.
Still on that fucking tree,
That's
Greg.
4. There should be 2 left. Yeah. Oh, I gotta heal.
Yeah, I'm coming up to John.
Oh shit! Behind me, right next to me. Fuck! Like
Alright,
right near
we
me.
got hill,
I
we
just
got
got
hill.
like SMG'd. It's like to my north.
Knocked one.
Nice, nice. I'm going to Greg's.
How many
rock.
left? That should be
Right
2
there.
knocked.
There's one behind Josh. Watch out.
Shooting me! Shooting me!
Yeah.
North 10 behind the tree.
I see him.
Right next to me.
Fuck! I gotta heal. Oh, he's pushing
Pushing
Josh.
me!
Pushing
Pushing
Josh.
me!
I got knocked. He had pretty good angles on me. Who with that bottom tree, Greg, that we were looking at earlier, and then one to
Knocked
the
him,
left.
knocked him.
I'm healing.
One to the left still. One to the left. He's on the
Wait,
furthest
just
tree.
wait, I'm
The
healing,
furthest tree
just
to the
wait, I'm
left.
healing.
Josh's X.
What? Where? How? Oh, I see. Okay.
Pushing
Yeah.
on Greg. There you go. That one.
Nice.
You still got one to your left. He's on the closer tree now. One to your left on the closer tree. Crouching. Nice, nice.
Other one's pushing you.
Right in front of you,
Right side.
Right in front of you.
Let's go, baby!
Good shit.
God damn.
Clearest comms wins games.
Fuck! Let's go!
And he recorded all that.
I did.
Get a fucking